Hey, what is up, guys? Evanaldo here. Wanted to give you a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update. Just doing a pre-recorded video outside of the pool right now. I wanted to get some fresh air. It is hot outside, summer in Florida, man. But yeah, so the latest here, I mean, we could start out with, real quick, I'll just go over, kind of the high time frames. The 16 day has been important to look at because, we're seeing the green dots on the 2-week. We're seeing green dot on the 10-day. I believe, was the 10-day confirmed yet? I want to look at that really quick. It was confirmed. However, and that's been a bottom signal, the past 2 times, the deep green dot. But I think it could be a little bit more like this, given that we're still in the green here, and given that we're still in the green here. I think this dot, the reason we're getting this deep anchor wave is because price came down so quickly. But look right here. See, you got this green on your 10-day here. It looks kind of like this, and there's still a case to come up a little bit in this this candle, come a little bit higher here, wick up to, I don't know, 26, 25, or we could have hit the top already, but I'm not entirely convinced. Also, I want to show you the 16-day because the 16-day both on ETH and Bitcoin is a sure signal for the bottom. Every time it's confirmed a deep anchor wave right here, and we still, look at here how this VWAP, you got a high with the VWAP like we are right now, and then you just curved all the way back down. Price just started coming down. So this would be kind of indicative of just curving back around, giving us a really bad August. So see, November was the wick up there, and then your December was just so bad, and then you bottomed out right in the beginning of January there. So that would make a case for a really bad August here, a really bad August. So yeah, really bad August and bad September. September is historically a very bad month for both the stock market and Bitcoin. So, we look at some of these time frames too, especially a little bit more of, for the short term, the bullish case with the 2-day right here, especially the 3-day too, with the RSIs curving up. However, your daily VWAP is curving down. RSIs are starting to split apart. You do have your blue triangle in the daily. That's a more bearish case. And this is really bearish right here, at least in my opinion, on this 16-day look. Split RSIs, curve down, split RSIs, curve down. See how that's played out? And I mean, this could definitely be the catalyst to the bottom, right here. If it's something like this to this is 45% down. If you do 45% down from here, say this, and who knows, when it would happen, but a few weeks, a month to the bottom around, 12, 13K. We got the Elon Musk or the Twitter news right now. I don't think that's going to be bullish. I don't think that's going to be enticing too many people to buy, at least not yet. But I think a lot of people will buy it, 12, 16K, 10K, around those points if we do make it that low. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. So for the short term right now, I mean, main bullish case would be probably your VWAP curving up here, and see your candles are turning green. And, that could bring us up a little bit, kind of like, you could repeat something like this too, like I was saying, maybe up another, 10% or something. You come up another 10%, just enough to wick everybody out, maybe reject off at this point, 24 or 25K, one of these spiral lines, or maybe even make it up to 26K, just to wick everybody out who's trying to short right now, including myself. So yeah, that is funny. And if you're interested, link in the description below for BITGET, new partnership with that. But yeah, bullish div right here, and your RSIs are kind of split. Last time this happened though, it didn't really work too much. I mean, look right here as money flow is coming out, split RSIs, and you did have a bullish div right here and a bullish div right here. Neither of these really gave you much, and you just kept coming down. It could be like that, where you just got your wick up, this green right here, and then you come down. It could be different here. This is a little bit better of a bullish div in my opinion. So it could be a little bit better in here. It's kind of hard to say. When you pump up a lot, there's always, last FOMO wicks up a lot of times, so it's tough. What I will say though is the 15-minute split RSI is curving down, so that's more of a bearish case to just come down from here. So, it's all a game of probability at the end of the day. I mean, I definitely do think we hit a top here, or at least came very close, maybe one more wick up here. I definitely do think we are more bearish, but it's all a game of probability at the end of the day. If this 4-hour plays out, we could come up a bit more. Let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum went down to this fib level, kind of getting a nice bounce off of here. You did get into the red for the hourly, kind of same kind of deal. I mean, RSIs were split and then he curved around. Let's look at the high time frames here because I want to show you the 16-day is the one we're waiting for here. And it could be kind of like this. See this 16-day? You got close to right where we are right now, close to printing, you know, that green dot like we were done, and then you just rejected downward. You didn't get any green candles yet right here, but this is 86% correction from that point. Ugh, that'd be rough. But yeah, it could come up a little bit higher. You know, maybe what's the next place? 17K, 1700, excuse me. A lot of people were talking about this place. You could get up to that, then reject off of there. Still probably wouldn't be enough to start printing or confirming a green dot here in the 16-day. And then if you look at the 2-week here, green dot confirms in 10 days. However, this one, you still came down quite a bit. I think it's going to be kind of like that, where you come down another, you know, that was 60% there. I remember if you come down like 60% from there, I mean, that's 600. That's 600, so you got to worry about that. I do think there would be one last capitulation, one last leg down. You know, people are saying that it's kind of like saying that's kind of like how people were saying 1,000 Bitcoin would go to 1,000 when it was at 3,000 in 2018. Peter Schiff was saying that. I mean, some people were saying that. Yeah, there's always that possibility. Ethereum is, though, a little bit. I am a little bit, probably leaning a little bit more towards the bullish side. One last leg up based on these RSIs coming close together. This is not as bearish as Bitcoin. But if we look at the 20-hour here, oh, they're coming up too. They're coming close together too at the 20-hour, which is very interesting here. That almost makes me want to lean a little bit more, especially with the 8-hour curving up there, a little bit more bullish here. In the 4-hour, you're getting that green dot. Ethereum, yeah, split RSIs curving back up on the 2-hour here. Hour, like we discussed, yeah, you kind of are getting that that case right there, and your 15-minute, yeah, and you're coming into the green there. So there definitely is that place. I almost want to lean a little bit more, you know, bullish for a short term. But anyway, to think about what's going to happen. This point's big. You know, this spiral lines have been pretty good too. Look at this spiral line, just rejected kind of nicely off of that. So this pocket between these spiral lines could be a top 1800. I don't really see us getting that high, but 17, you could definitely make it to that point right there. If you repeat something like, you know, this, that's a lot, 23%. Wow. 23, 18%, 23, that area right around there, 18, 17 to 1800. So could go either way here. Be careful trading. Definitely be careful trading. Wait for when the time is right. You know, it's a tough market at the moment. A little bit, wait for when the time is right. I feel like a lot of people who shorted here, including myself, might not have the best outcome with them, and I'll look into that. But yeah, guys, if you are interested in my exclusive Discord, some of my exclusive TA and trade entries, all that type of stuff, not right 100% of the time, link in the description below. And let's see, if you want to get my trading course, link in the description below as well. Sign up for BITGET, really good promo going on, 15% off trading fees and a nice bonus for the first 2 weeks for trading fees. Link in the description below. Check that out. If you're new, like and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, have a good one. Goodbye.